Hi guys. Welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to fix if you're trying to hack in Roblox but you have to upgrade it and your hack won't inject. First, you will have to install a 32-bit converter software. I will link one in the description. Also you have to install Fiddler. And of course you need a executor. I use Arctic X since it is keyless and free. So first, if you haven't used the 32-bit converter software, then open up Roblox. And once you launch Roblox, it will appear with an update screen, and I will show you how to bypass that. Then launch Fiddler. Once it's open, you want to make a few adjustments, or this will not work. Press Tools. Then Options. Then press HTTPS. Make sure you have decrypt HTTPS traffic on, and once you've done that, press OK. Now go on to autoresponder. Make sure you turn on all these options that I have on. Now once you turn them on, exit out of Roblox. If you exited Roblox out earlier, open it again, then exit out. Once you exited out of Roblox, open it again and look for roblox.com with a mobile API after it. If you find it, press copy, then copy as a URL. Then on autoresponder, press add rule. Then remove exact and the semicolons after it. Now under it you will see an arrow, press it. Then press find a file. Press on your executor. Then hit save. Now exit out of Roblox, then go back in it. Then it works. Now once you got onto Roblox, go into the game you want to cheat in and grab your executor. As you can see, it works.